So we are original design manufacturer of electronic products. We have a special focus on IoT connected products. We were founded at Incubation Center inside IIT Delhi. We have three core engineering competence. One is electronics, second is firmware development, third is industrial engineering. Started as engineering and design services for making products for other manufacturers. Later in 2005, we expanded into electronics manufacturing ourselves. We have competence in AI-based manufacturing MES systems, which is called Manufacturing Execution Software Systems. We have developed those in-house, and we are very proud of that MES execution that we have done over the years. We are into design and manufacturing, and actually we are one of the companies which is leading the way into design-led manufacturing. We are manufacturing with intent and love. We are Oakter.